Guys, big news. I just bought a Porsche 911 and it's the only one I could afford. I give you my brand new Porsche 911 Turbo. I found myself a few weeks ago, as we all have at times in our lives, a little bored, a little just, restless, wasn't really sure what was going on, just vaguely, dully unhappy. And I thought to myself, I need a little bit of direction. I need a thing that I can work toward. And I wasn't gonna work on losing weight or, learning something. I wanted to build something. So I bought this Lego. It's about 1,500 separate pieces in 10 bags in a box on 51st Street in the Lego store. But now it's mine. I'll be honest, it takes a lot of work. It takes a lot of concentration that I don't really have to do it. But I found it to be such a satisfying thing, especially as you can see the car kind of take shape. You can see the curvature coming. You can, make the doors as an interior, building the engine out back, little turbo badge. Honestly, I've never been much of a Lego person. When I was a kid, I didn't really play with them. It wasn't really my thing. I found this to be such a nice, soothing, and satisfying experience. If I have one issue with this, it's that it's done now. So now I just have this incredibly delicate piece of plastic that I have to care for with my life like a newborn baby. And you know what? It's just nice to have a toy. It reminds me of a simpler time of when I was a child, because that's really what I am on the inside. That's what all of us car enthusiasts are just big children who want a Porsche but can only afford a plastic one.